Hi guys, Evan here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon. Today we have this beautiful 9YA Cayenne Turbo SE hybrid. We had the vehicle in a couple of weeks ago. Unfortunately, we found an oil leak coming from the transmission, so let's take a quick look. So yeah, when the vehicle first came in, it was really excessive leak. It was so bad we couldn't actually tell where it was coming from. So what we did, I cleaned it off, applied this white stuff here, this is chalk spray, sprayed the whole gearbox over with it, just to try and help identify where it's coming from. So sent the customer away, did 100 miles, came back and we can see that this seal just up here is the cause of the oil leak. Now unfortunately, to replace this seal, you have to take down the engine, gearbox, subframe, everything's got to come down together just so we can split the gearbox off it. So we're going to carry out that repair. So unfortunately after today I am now on holiday for nearly 2 weeks. However, we will be leaving this in the very capable hands of AD, our other Porsche technician here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon, so I hope you guys enjoy.